star or an idiot.
Today I wanted to do a video on a little known secret that auto restoration guys and auto preservation people tend to know about but tend not to share. So I'm probably going to get a lot of people coming after me and saying, why are you sharing this information? But I'm going to share it anyways because I think everybody should know this, everybody should do this, right? And what I want to talk about is door seals. Now these are trunk seals. Trunk seals, door seals, they're all the same. They're just rubber seals. Now anybody who's ever bought an old car knows these seals are usually dry rotted, ripped, torn, destroyed, missing, and these things are expensive to replace. You can't repair them. You can't fix them. You can try and glue them. It looks like they've been glued. To try and replace these things, they're easy to replace, but they're very expensive if you can find them, if anyone makes them. And a lot of the times when companies do reproduce them, they're good enough, they're about the best you can get, but they're not exactly like the factory. They're close, but sort of good from far, far from good. I've decided to pass along a little known secret about preserving door seals. Now if you do this when the car is new, or if the seals are still in good shape, you continue to do this, if someone else has done it, then these seals can last the lifetime of the car. You'll never have to replace them. You'll never have to try and restore them. And that little known secret is Vaseline. That's right, Vaseline. You take Vaseline, you smear it on these seals, do it once every couple of years, and the seals will remain as good as new for as long as you continue adding Vaseline to them. Now obviously they get hit by something heavy, ripped, torn, whatever. Vaseline can't help you there, but when it comes to simply dry rotting, Vaseline will prevent dry rot. So what you do, you just smear it on there every once in a while, maybe once every 2 years or so, and you're good. And as you can see, these seals, I don't know how well you can see them, but these seals are original 1983 Honda trunk seals, door seals. Same thing with all four doors, all the seals are original because someone, who I happen to know quite well, who had this car since original, kept adding Vaseline to the seals every 2, 3, 4 years or so, something like that, about as often as you would change transmission fluid. They kept doing the seals, and now the seals are in perfect condition. I'm going to continue coating them with Vaseline, and to keep them pristine and to keep them nice. So remember the old saying, big or fat, thick or thin, Vaseline will get it in.